good people, greetings from Ngramium Plus. Today we are diving into something super useful for your WordPress website, video content. We all know videos grab more attention than plain text, right? So we are checking out an important and awesome tool called GoDAM, an all-in-one video asset and media library manager for WordPress. It helps us to add high quality videos, stream them smoothly, and even make them interactive right from the WordPress dashboard. So let's jump in and see how it works. So in order to see how GoDAM works, let's go to our dashboard. This is our dev website. From here we will go to plugins, add new, search for GoDAM. So this is the plugin we are seeing. We'll click install now. So the plugin has installed. We will click on activate. After activating the plugin, we will get an admin menu called GoDAM. Let's go to the settings. And by default, folder organization will be enabled, and we can upload a logo in here as well. And this is the logo will be implemented all of the videos from our website, and we can change the color as well. For example, if we select the color, let's change the color, and this will be our brand color. Let's hit save changes. So as we have enabled the folder organization, let's see what the changes that has made. So this is our media library. From here we can create folder. Let's create a folder called video, create, and in here let's upload a video. So we have uploaded a video. Now let's go to the settings and video settings. So the video transcoding settings is only available to the pro plans. If we choose GoDAM plan, this is the pro plan that we can buy, but this video is all about walkthrough of the GoDAM free version. Now let's go to the dashboard. So this is only available to the pro version. So let's go to the video editor. So all of the videos that available on our website will be available in here as well. So from here, if we click the video, we can edit the video from here. As we have configured the color, as you can see, the color has been enabled in here. Let's go to the player settings. We will get all the settings of the player from here. For example, display setting, show volume slider, display caption, show branding. Let's enable this one. As you can see in here, the logo has been configured. From here we can change the individual logo for the video as well. We can configure the play button position. Let's say it's on the center by default. Let's select left just to show you. We can upload the custom play button as well. Adjust the skip duration. We can adjust it, for example, it's 5 seconds. We can enable the ad server as well by enabling this one. But for this video, let's disable the ad settings and hit save. So this is the basic configuration of the player. Now let's go to the layers. So as you can see, there is no layers added. So to do that, to add the layer, we have to enable the video. For example, we have enabled the video, and within this second or in this minute, let's add a layer. As you can see, there are so many integration. For example, gravity form integration is available, WP forms integration, WP pools integration as well. So let's check the CTA first. Let's click this one, customize layer. From here we can select text, HTML and images. For this video, let's click on image. Let's upload an image. So this is our image that we are going to use. So this is the image. Let's put some text in here. This is test. For URL, let's copy the URL from here. and paste it to the editor. Description will be here. CTA button, hire us. Select the orientation. We can choose the landscape, or we can change it to the portrait as well. So for this video, let's keep the landscape, and let's hit save. So our video editor has been shown, and we have edited the layer. Now if you would like to add new layer, let's go to forward and add a new layer as well. Just like the before, we can add layer in here as well. So let's add another image, upload an image. Welcome to Engramium. So here will be the URL, description, and so on. So we have configured the video. Let's go to a page, create a page. This is our test. So in here, if we click and search for GoDAM, we will get GoDAM videos and GoDAM audio. We will see the GoDAM audio after that. So let's select the GoDAM video block and select the video that we have edited and select one. And in here on the video block, we'll get the settings for autoplay, loop, mute. For example, let's enable the loop. We can select the poster image as well. For example, let's select the poster image, this one. So this will be the poster image, and we will get the customized video. And if we click this, it will drop us to the video editor, and we will get the SEO settings as well. If we click the SEO settings, from here we can change all the details for the SEO. So let's cancel this one, publish the page. Let's see it on the front end. And this is the video. If we click play, this is our call to action or CTA. We can click in here. It will redirect us to the page that we have configured, and we can skip it. After that, it will bring the new CTA as well. So now let's check how we can configure or how we can add contact form on the video. To do that, as we have seen the integration, the contact form 7 WP forms, let's enable the contact form 7 integration. Now let's go to the video editor, select the video that we would like to add a new CTA. Let's click this one and add a new layer. We'll get the contact form 7, customize layer. From here we can select the contact form. Let's contact form and hit save changes. And the pages that we have created, if we go to that page and reload this one, after playing the video, we'll get the contact form. So this is how easy it is, and we can skip the contact form as well. So now let's see how GoDAM audio works. For that, let's create another page, test page for GoDAM audio, and click this one, GoDAM search, GoDAM audio. From here we will upload. This is the audio that we have uploaded. From here we can autoplay the audio. We can configure the loop as well. For example, if we click autoplay and publish this one, view the page. So this is the audio that we have added, and it will be played automatically. So this is how easy it is. And that's a wrap. I hope you found this walkthrough of GoDAM helpful for boosting your WordPress website video. If you are looking to make your website content more engaging and professional, this plugin is definitely worth exploring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, as you never miss out more in-depth WordPress tips and tools. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.